Kublai pi baro, pi apet ya kari kasi channel, yung rush pi ya ketup kubor jong gani katayo bementa. Ini pai menta siya kimat bakongsan. Ki seng riolom ki daiban ya trailang nak benta ka baha kamiat ki pai ba ka jela ong ka UDP. Rai ka sarkar jela ban kershan ya unong snaplim Dominic Sangma. Shen an satung kam ya ki kam GNM ba ANM ong ka menteri ka tanat kot tiak. Betengken radro ka HYC. Bentre kam ya ki an ban yada naga jingwan ki bar jela. Bat ki wegwe de ki kubor. U MLA jong ka Voice of the People's Party VPP na nongkrem constituency uba Ardent Miller Basayamat. Ula pelat pat ba ya ki work order jong ka scheme Special Rural Works Program but Intensive Sports and Youth Development Program. Jong senam arhajar arpulai arpusaw.
Kini ki skim ki tup arklo san polak tengka na ka skim SRWP bat lailak tengka na ka SYDP jong senam arhajar pulai ajar pusaw.
Ke jungki kin tray bahai ya kali ka kam mau kena bakan nong ka jing mentoi ke pet ka biang ya ka school ta menta kani ka di ka jing IT ke junga ya kali ka work order agak ti jungi secretary or president juga school managing committee. Ini semua orang ba ubah kia bahaya ka sport support pernai bala seng ya kani ka domusa nagam ta ka jipen he ka madan ka jipen bahaya ka madan football ka jungki bagani ka di ka first phase ka bomot kandang bot adin jungani sanboga Hadis sports club. Mas, sampai aja. Ngalamang riu potli ki yeng beduk. Riu potli ki yeng beduk aga dor nyopusan haja. Aga jing sisa ngalamang riu po san potli aga dor silap tenri ka sarkar kong hemnak ban mang silap. Kia ban mang baik maksimum kadai nyopusan haja. Tengah haban le no komta mun nyopusan haja Nriu po yeng kalong saupusan lang, ten, saupusan lang. Ma, nyopusan ajar, nriu po yeng kamut saupusan lang. Kabar, penmang nakamanta ban marmot iki yeng lede ban penkha kamera kum tu ko baga jerap mo, haga constituency ke baga ju penmang arspat liki yeng haga dor arpusan ajar. Tegani kalong san pola. Nangta kajerap iki nongrap leni kini ki baitrei ki kambarit barya ibu dukan batkum ta ter sam spa yeng hagador sipo ajar kamut sampola kade yong kenya nangta dalam penmang banshna ke kamera kelas ya ka Pomlakrai Presbyterian Secondary School hamauthria arpola Tumot kalong kan nokhay. Sausan sanpo arbola nang khay no. Nangta ka school halum kansai khadarlak sanpo hajar. Ka school ha nongkrem Presbyterian Secondary School nongkrem maupun thau khat sanlak. Ka school kamera school hapo St. John Bosco Laiko Mauri Shipolak. Ini kini jaga kibal ese nimdagan thanchu ka space ka behe nangta ka ying school hapo HL Meso LP school madan beting Shipolak nangta ka boundary ka school hapo Unitarian Hedrick Memorial School hapo nongkrem arlak shiteng nangta ka jing snai ka podium ba ka gallery hapo Laikor football ground khatsanlak kani kani ka first phase kamdap tang khatsanlak ginapang ay biang Legilak pendek begini. Nangta ka jingshna baka jing penhe ya kamaran football ringkat ka kenro apok mau bertau football ground kat sanlak. Nangta ka jingshna ya ka jing school juga Reach Shalom Ministries School for the Underprivileged kani ka school beduk lengba kani ka Reach Shalom Ministry halak kor sanlak. Baru wakilan keren kelum gini baro kain kelum gini baro kami. Arla o Arklur Sanpola, Arspa Sanpola.
Ka United Democratic Party UDP, kabade ka wena ki seng riulum kabala rimha hagajala, kalakot ya baro ki seng riulum ki bakentup ru ya ka VPP, banya tray lang nakabenta ka baha kamiat jong ki try muluk, tangha po kawe ka syatri.
Unoy alam bat Presiden UDP ba med ba ing dol ong ba kano ka seng ka bakam ba kadai ka seng riulum kalade ka por banya trelang kawe.
From my side, what I would like to say here, that it is good that many parties, political parties are there so that people can have a choice. Because sometimes, even with 4 or 5 parties also, you will notice that there is always a nota when it comes to the EVM machines, correct? So which means people don't want to go with any of the political parties which are already there, who are putting up their candidates, but they'll go with Nota. So I think if one more party is there, perhaps that will give more choices to the people to have a choice. But one thing which I would like to say here, whichever party that seems to be a regional party, I think it's high time for us that we have to think seriously and see that we come together and work as one. That is the only message that I would like to give. Whoever claims to be the regional party and who claims to be for the indigenous people, working for them. So I feel that is what we would like. That is why we were working together with HSPDP with that kind of motivation. Because as regional parties, it is very, very situation demands that we have to come together and we have to work together as far as the interest of the people of our own state, the indigenous people which you are talking about. See, I'm talking in a very open, manner where anybody, any party who claims to be a regional party or a party who feels that they have been fighting for the indigenous party, the indigenous people. So that is what I want to be very clear from.
Right.
Yeah, you see, because there's a lot of difference when you talk about national party and a regional party. Okay, the regional party, basically we talk about the manifesto and whatever we talk in the objective always is always for the interest of the local and indigenous people with the respect to other communities as well. That is what I want to mention here very clearly, that the difference with the national party is basically they have to look at the national interest. Some or many used to say that we are a local party, but we have with a national outlook. I think if you go by history, I have nothing to say as far as whoever wants to set up or bring a new political party. Okay, it's up to them. I have no comment on that or nothing to interfere with that. I don't want to step in that platform. But what I wanted to say here, by experience and for the last 16, 17 years in politics, and by the history itself, we have seen that if multiple regional parties are there in the state, I think it's not a good sign, and I don't see it's a good future for the indigenous people and for those who have been working for the indigenous people. That is what I could come to the conclusions.
Ka menteri katanat ki kamrep ka kong amprin lingdo, kalaong ba kan saya selok lang bat katanat transport, sapang kajingkar pa jong ka FKGGP, pan pelat no iya kajingshim kajana na ka association.
Kalaong ba kajingay jimut jong ka KCDC day ban sim lang. Haba kelis pang kam dawa pisah ka kong amperin lingdo kalaong ba katanat kamrep kamdon ya ka bo ban ai ka kaipot.
They brought to my notice the fact that they sat with both the deputy CMs who had asked them to then meet me. And I had very clearly said that we are not an authority for decision of waivering of any weighbridge for any group of individuals. I can only appraise myself. I will sit for the meeting and I will also call the district council. that I have told them. We have to make sure that this entire concern for welfare of farmers is addressed, which is the department I hold, and I'm willing to do that.
Ma'am, when are you expected to call the meeting with
I will call and I will let you know, and I have anyways sought more advice on this matter. I cannot operate single-handedly on this matter. Like I told you, transport is under the purview of another department. Police is under the purview of another department. And government will have to take a collective call. I am simply going to initiate a discussion to see whether that will be possible or not. What is the kind of challan that is also circulating in the market today, I am unaware of. I only know that the district council also has a law. They've enacted an act. Now, we cannot step on jurisdictions of the government, whether at the district council or at the state government. Make sure we're all on the same page, and I will do just that. And I will brief them accordingly. We not jump the gun. Nothing can be decided. It's not me who will decide who's the authority for a challan of any matter. I am not the authority. But yes, if it affects my farmers and their income, it is my duty to make sure that I initiate the correct approach, which is what I'm willing to do. Let me first get proper briefing from my senior in the cabinet, and we will take a call collectively. Minister of Agriculture is not the authority for such reports. We don't have the authority. If any such allegation is there, they should all be routed through proper channel. Minister should only listen how best can we better the business of both the farmers as well as the traders. It cannot be a one-sided representation. Everybody will be given an opportunity. And one should not forget that we have the district council also who has stake in this matter. Government will not be able to take decision about these matters without proper consultation. I have assured them a consultation. Let me first be educated on this matter myself. I am not aware of the complexities around me. I am beginning to understand them. But I need clarity. And I will sit with the Honorable Deputy CMs, both of them, to be further guided on this matter.
So, ma'am, you are not helping them to get this road delivery challan.
Let me not say in helping them or not helping them. I'm saying there is a problem. We have to be seized of the problem first. They have met with the 2 deputy CMs. I will also take guidance. Now that they've met me, and I have been hearing that there is this big gap between sellers, traders, buyers. So we will see, we will figure this out. I am just at the initial stage of calling all stakeholders on board. Let me first get properly briefed. Then I will call them again sometime before the Independence Day. Let us see where it reaches first. Let me first get the correct indicators before I decide. I'm not the authority. We are not a challan issuing agency. We are simply taking care of farmers' welfare.
O Menteri Katana Tourism uba Paul Lingdo, hakas ni balang ulapin bana baka sarkar jalakan ay jingkershan ya unong snap lim badang shuyo ya ka National Award u Dominic Sangma. Ula ongru baya ka kerteng jong uni unong snap lim an perkat ban penrung hapo ka Meghalaya Day Award.
First, heartiest congratulations to Dominic. And second, which is very important, I'd like to point out here that as far as screening of his movie is concerned, this is being actively considered by the department. Although he is yet to approach us formally, we have ways and means of accommodating that particular need of his. And where financial support is concerned, since he has won that prestigious award, the department, in tandem with the State Finance Department, will certainly take a call, and we will incentivize him. We will incentivize him one way or the other. As you are also aware that we also have the Meghalaya Day Award, where there is a particular category reserved for the arts and culture. So that again is another distinct possibility where he could be considered for that particular award. So it is therefore misleading to say that we are not doing anything, and we will certainly come to the expectation of the people, come up to the expectation, and continue to support people like Dominic.
Menteri Kampo yang karya Amit Shah ula kular bantau da ka komiti kaban khmi bat shim khia yakimat jingdawa jongki shiphotli ki Autonomous District Council jongka than chate lammingi.
Amit Shah ula ai kene kajing kular ha kajing ye kendu ya ka kenhun kinomik mat jong ki shipotli ki ADC ki balai kendu ye u ne ka sngi pale ha New Delhi. Amit Shah ula pentibru ba kene ka komiti kan sesong bisharlut ya barok ki mat jingdawa jong ki ADC baban pendep ya kene ka kam hapo ka al posan trik unai lar hajar posau. Ya kene la pentib dau Chief Executive Member CEM ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC ba penyai sing sim hadin kajing ye kendu ya u Amit Shah.
Nakaliang jungi kumka EDC ka kenhun joki Autonomous District Council hapo North East Rockaway bakentup nadu ya ka Tripura Territorial Council nangta ka Bodoland Territorial Council Kalbi Anglong nangta ka di Mahasau ka Khasi Hills, Gent Hills, Garo Hills nangta ka Chakma, Lai Batmara baru sepuluh ki Autonomous District Council nilai kendu mentak sini dari Nambak Delhi baru kumju niladon ya ka meeting ka Bakerpang ka Bashimpor jan kadu Shtenggetan baru Union Home Minister Amit Shah ban ya pensnow penpau ke jing dan kam gujungi HKBD bakani ka Schedule Amendment the HKBD bakadi ka Schedule Amendment gila pensnow but hoi ni dan laki jong ki jing ni ki jing dawa gujungi Henry ya baru ikini ki jing dawa gujungi nakaliang jong Union Home Minister la ai kata ka jubab dan ni la pensnow hani ba hapo ka shibnai kemudian hapo arpusan tarik ni penai penwan August but pendep yang ni kam berbishar benya but concern ke komiti ke ba Union Home Minister of State untuk kam but nakaliang jungi ni penpau ke jingkemen but ai kublai ke pang ya Home Minister Amit Shah la sengap la shimkhai ni ka kam habede kanika Schedule Amendment kermen scam ba kini baru kijing pensnow ke jungi habede benang penklain shushu yaki EDC hapo North East khamtam ngiwan naka jela Meghalaya iki bangi ni snow bangi dan kam ban ya dan lang ban penlong ya je jungi bateli ki nong nong Meghalaya bateli ling ba ni ka Schedule Amendment kan long ka jingmentoi ban jing ku makrau sai sien nakaliang jungi na Meghalaya ki EDC ni ai kublai kerpang ye promote CM jong bodo ai kublai kerpang ye produce chairman jong ka Tripasa nangta MP jungi na po Karbi Tiso nangta kiwi baru ki CM wedan lang kiba la penlong ini ka ji keduk jungi ka bajop takasi ni ya keren be tang habide bakasik schedule hoi na baru sepotli ki EDC ni dan lak na ki jong ki jing pensnow jing dawa ka jungi Henry ya kan ni ladap ban menjul da menteri mene bandon ya kawe ka komiti ka ban sakli da Union Home Minister of State ya kan ni batang hapo shibnai on pendep ban singap lut ya baru khoi ki details tangan namla ban batai lut ya baru ki jenat hame de Henry ka bastunat kalong ba Union Home Minister la pediang ya ketika ki ka memorandum ka jungi ka bangi tho ba pangi ai mene ta kata de ka sila benong ba ngila krek poi syaka jingjok hagwede ba ketika benda ka bangila iki la slam hanadu snam arja ka khandai habide kenika Schedule Amendment kenhon joki EDC baru ekon tadi mentakasni hadin bala de kendu ya Union Home Minister nila shimbu ya kawai karai ba ngin ya kendu yang para mangi hasilong haka shipotare u August ngin ya kendu yang baru shipotare ki ABC hasilong tekadi kalong ka kubor bat kunjuru nakalyang juni di beriang subhai bro ki ABC banwan hasilong namtaka meeting ke baar nang peminang yo belia berjimut belia keren neta show
ka menteri jong ka tanat ka kot ka khia ka kong amprin lingdo kala pente bagi kam jong ki shispa an riu pusau tali ki GNM ban riu pau tali ki ANM la ada ban mang bat shen an sapin bana hau banai nailar ne nailur mentau snam
Kementeri kekoi kekia dang shen haba kendu ya kekenhun ki nurse par ka sarkar kala lab bakila don bon ki jingduna kam jong ki paramedical staff ha ki babon ki jaka pule.
The group of nurses that I met are meeting me again. I've given them a date on 24th. 24th. So let me meet them first. Unfortunately, there is a huge shortage of these paramedical forces in various institutions that have recently been set up in the state of Meghalaya. So we have these FRUs, these PECUs, these ICUs that Government of India has handheld the state of Meghalaya. Now these facilities are now getting inaugurated one after the other. We have better OTs, we have better, we have better facilities in PHCs. Certain CHCs are also now upgraded to FRUs. Now all of this requires an immediate attention. Having seen the gaps in the technical staff, we got a special sanction from the finance department of 3 nurses and how many paramedicals like pharmacists, then lab attendants. We've just called the advertisement. So these are all contractual and appointment because they have still not yet received the proper sanctioning from Government of Meghalaya. It takes time for us to sanction these posts. But because these vacancies are there and are stopping these facilities from performing to the best that they can, we have received a sanction to immediately appoint on contract. This is not something new. Of all the nurses that I met, one of them was working in Negrams on contract. 3-4 were working in another private hospital, Supercare, on contract. Every institution is also engaging with them on contract. So now in that event, what do you want me to do? So I have requested them. So I said, why do you have a problem when anyways you are working under the same circumstances? So they said that contractual nurses do not get, say for example, maternity leave of 6 months. Now that's a big concern for me. I will have to do something to ensure that they have that facility. So now we have to work on this. It takes time for me to discuss these matters with the officers because I cannot promise something which is beyond my capacity. They are apparently able to avail only 12 casual leaves per year. So they were not happy with that. So they highlighted a few of these difficulties. After which I have said that I did not have a ready answer for all of what they were asking me to do. I requested them to give me time. Officers were there. I've also assured them that very shortly, at least the vacancies that have arisen in the permanent sanctioned posts, 164 GNMs and 64 ANMs, I'm forgetting the exact numerical numbers, but it's around that much. Those now will be processed through proper procedures. proper examinations will be put in place, the recruitment board will decide on the modalities. That will take time but will likely happen around August, September. As and when official sanction has been accorded to these posts, I have no issues about giving the correct advertisement against these posts. Otherwise, we will have a problem. Like every workforce, these posts, for example, for nurses, GNMs, will be about 30 to 32,000 per month. Rather than a qualified nurse sitting at home, waiting for a sanction of a post to come through, if they can already apply, work in institutions, earn a livelihood, that would again help the nurses. But if you want me to keep waiting till the official sanction is accorded, then it's going to take a lot of time and it's going to be difficult. So this is what we've discussed.
Ka HYC Sengkeme hapo ka Jingalam Jong u Secretary Isaac Basayamoy, ha ka Jing Senran lang u Vice President ba Don Bok lang Karling do, kala beteng ban kenra yakin nong di drugs ha ka kapait ba, ha ka apo tering mentau benai na du kapor san baje janmien, par kala penkun hadu ka apo tering mentau benai, ha ka por si baje siteng menstam.
Hakati ke jingkendra la yo bad kumba arpo ngut ki samla ki bedai ki samla khasi bad kumjuru ki ba jila. Lastang e kene ke jingkendra na du ki tain polo ter syamot pran yo maulong hadu stan boy ha kene ke mit la yo ban kemlang bad nongdi haran kat khatsan teli ki sisi tendong tab drop kakiat ka biar ukenja katari bad kapisa. Hadin baladep kurup la thang sendon ya gite ki drop ha kene ke step ha khamat jong ki he.
Saya berat pun saya boleh belah mulai serius ya. Serius tentang gue lah. Ya benar. Kawan mesti gitu. Ya ada. Susah
Abu ngajarong. Tuh long.
Bat tuh.
Hào lại. Đấy nhá. Đấy. Usirin tu bu.
Oh tu. Ya tu. Dah kaya orang ada tebus tang. Tahu nak terus usirin ini lah. Datang.
Iya, saya tahu mas tahu.
Bisa sini?
Bisa setiap.
Setiap. Medang sa setiap ini ni.
Ya, bisa setiap.
Bisa hari ini tak?
Bisa kap cuba.
Saya.
Kap cuba yo, pertiam yo makan.
Lah kalau setiap lah berkelayak nanti, kena izin jangan.
Setengah tahun setengah senam.
Lah kalau berai, ni lah kalau ium ni lah. Kamsa iya so.
Tak ada ni sebenarnya.
Ni yang kimuat.
Kimuat ni.
Kimlam.
Dan lagi ki ngalari.
Boleh mirip. Boleh mirip ni bayar.
Banyak ini nanti dah kebau pak kuah.
Belajar di haftan. Milik hibup ni ya. Milik hina hibup ni ya.
Ni.
Kanu berapa nak saya lihat?
Lai pernah.
Hai bi mai lihat.
Mizoram TNT.
Jadi ibu peluang me berlawan nak kira juga Sumaru bermenang game yang kena jingam.
Nangum. Dia kan ngaruh nangum. Naladir day ni kidus badai. Kikat itu terwai ni kong ang em. Terus haru agak cengkua malah kamal.
Benar sih apa rekam?
Nemis mana ham nemis tak.
Kedusir nak rekam tas. Kedusir. Metri kita iu apa hayang macam sa show kita.
Belum job belum kaya.
Kanu mi yo kamai kata belum job sama.
Yo andus pa.
Kanu mi sedap span.
Nice pa.
Sebab baru bedi kado ke Songdor ke sini.
Lespak tang steng.
Susi bedi tang lespak. Kuat nampak menkalah je.
Kuat.
Kinong yalam jong ki artli ki seng bhalang ki bakentop ya ka Nyotrap Youth Council Bhoirambong Circle. But Nyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization Bhoirambong Circle haka arpusau terik benai naitung arhajar arpusau kilalik banyakendu yau video jong ka Bhoirambong C&RD block uba pi mukhem ha office trekam jong u halor ka jing ujor persha ya ka jing te resort harut wa
Kate kajing kendu jong kita ki atali ki kinhun seng bhalang kalongkum kajing budin ya kamat halor kajing persya ya kajing temu jong utrai jaka bante ya ke resort harut kawa umenshi ke badai kawa kabadan hamar kaput ke Snong Bhoirambong lom so piang bat ka Bhoirambong lom dait kla kumban syukrew hangne ha ka arpotrik jimang ka HYC Bhoirambong lembat ka hito Bhoirambong hilalit ban juriap ya ka jingte ya ke resort harut kawa inshi haka ba kala miru ke jingdawa na kaliang ke seng lembat ki pajba na utrai jong kate ke resort ba udai ban pensenge mardo ya kate ke jingte harut ke pot wa jong kawa uminshi
Abang makan dari tadi kena ngling buat ini dah tak biar kau undang ku sana ibu fit buat dia kau baru mana juga dia kau buat belum dia kau buat
Kecuali kan ni dong day kataria ke bahek wala.
Mereka kan berit.
Datang kan eh? Ini ketiga. Saya dapat janji dalam kam di perdagangan.
Adin ba nakaliang ka HYC harangkat ki parlok na ito. Adin bangi nakaliang jong kasang hakini ki binay ki beladap. Nginawan jurip ya kani kajaka hakabdan hani po boy rombong. Belum soping ke ba hapru hak bordar jong kalum dai kla. Nginawan jurip bangi i bagani ka jingtei jong kani kaye kalalong bi ain. Te kumba PUI kumbangi lakren hakitu ki media ki beladap syakmat. But Aden ketu dagal yang jungi kasang ngila lek kendu ru sadu sha office jundisi halar kajing jingbu jungi ya kikot ban ujor halar kajing tei jungni u breu ya kane kajing tei harut kawa umsi da halar ketu ki phang itu ki jingkrang jungi ki baladap sakaman sadin dementa kasnipat nagal yang ka HYC bat ka hitohi ni budin ya kene ka isu te hadin agatu kepor bangi keran hapo office jong DC ribhoi ilai kendu ya i additional DC agatu kepor tinggal yo bangi keran bat i il ong ba ya kene ka kam in forward in sapha sha i sha kene ka block hapo barembong te hadin ketu ngila ipor ya ka DC ketu kan por te hadin kene ka benta kalor kene ka dau ka phang ilai yo ban budin Inayo wani-wani kendu ya ui video hang ne hapo berembong. Dan nakaliang cung i video mene idadap ya keren bat i ilong ba nakaliang ka office il kolaru hakasang bang yim nom le thok yim nom chukor ipi ikisang kamtam ya pi ki pai ba nong snong jong kadong khap mara ngin thau da ka jing thau kano metar na ka wa bat hadu ka di construction ka jing tei jong i ke yusutunat kajing keren jong i video hak ni kapor ke pemerintah ba i lakularu ban wan inspection no ban wan jurip ya kani kejaka haka arpun rutrik kadai menta tayau kadai ka singi thoding da haka por khat ar baje i lakular ban pha yaki engineer ke jong i ba in pha ru ban thau ban khenye kani ka kalong na am kat kum ka kendon an jong ka NGT ban kenon an jong ka high court badon burom ke jongi te haglor kani ka nongrim halor kani ki dau ke ba kajing penpau jong i video ngismo ban ai kublai sibun ya ka office jong ka DC bat ya ka office jong i video berembong halor kajing simkhya ke jong i ya kani kamat kani ka jura ya ka ba kum keseng bat ki pai ba nong snong jong kani ka dong khap mara ni ya dawa te kumbangi la jumpun pau da kapor sa kapor ba ne kamay maryang kabala ai sobha do blay kaba ublay ula bu la thau kumne te halor ka ta daw bat ka anyro ka penskam ba kumno kano ka jingte kalong sanpho meter na po kawa ka jingjingai jongka te nakaliang ka jungi ngiyang ka nongrem ban penya pensa ban penskam ya ka kajing ai sobha ka jong blay ban pene pensa ya ka jinglong ka maryang kumbangi ui kawa umlensi ka de kawa ka bahe ha agi por ke bamensha tingi i buki jaka shigini ke jaka ka jungi ka de jaka ka bajur hauslap lada pen kemplat ya ka nai ka kawa umlensi kumbangi ui ka jing kenro ang tu kala de sebab kala penrit sebab pelat bat lada jur slap kawan ka jing slay hakilenti ke sengkin isurok kabu kajing jenjar kabu kajing hadin habut tebat kawai kajing so diaw hang jongi kalong ba uli utrai jaka ultei ya kawai ka soptitang kapan kana marsenda bat kane kawa kaba om jengai tang sin siro ka jan ba de halor kani kanong rem bat kani ka daw dagal yang jongi bat dagal yang dong hi dong song snong ni dawa bet ba kani hi ka jing tei kadai ban sange bat bakas ngiger paru ya ka DC bat ya ka office jong DC ko ribhoi bat video ba indai ban pensange bet ya ka jingtei
Kaseng United Democratic Party UDP Kalau ong ba ka jingwan jong ki bre ki banamar jela ha Meghalaya, da ka ba ai daw ba ki wan kum kinong bala, amla ban priang setia.
Halor kanen nak liang unang alam ke UDP uba med ba lengdo la kentu ke sarkar jela bante lakam ya kane ke jingwan jong ki bar da ka ba pentrei kam ru ya ki an ki ba la don.
Government has in place all the rules and regulation and guidelines. How do you those big companies, contractors, about the laborers, who are coming from outside the state, and for the locals also at the same time. But I feel that practice has to be given to the local if they can, they can perform those nature of work, those kind of works which their know-how is is with them. But there are a few things also which we have to look at it. That few technical issues or works which have to be carried out by some, not the locals. I think those things also we have to look at it, so that the overall projects and all should not be disturbed in the process. But government has to ensure also that there has those laws, those guidelines which they have laid down. I think those has to be followed seriously. We can't allow this kind of illegal flow of people from outside the state to our state just in the name of laborers. That is also very alarming for the state and for the indigenous people.
Ka sengkinong khayi jhur hapo kalama jong ka Meghalaya Gingers and Fresh Vegetables Association. Hakani ka tayo kilalit banya kendo ya ka menteri jong katanat karep karyang kakong amprin lingdo. Ban ujor ya ka jing ka bakishem kamtam ka jing syakrong pisa bian haki kali ke jhur kibalet chakitan asam bat kiwe ki jaka.
Abakren noyalam keseng uba prestar mautho laong ba kila ujor sya ke menteri hadien ba ka jingsha pendik ki kali kijor kalap teng hadu kine kisngi wat hadien ba kinoyalam ke sarkar kintup ki sembut menteri rang ba snyo bahalang dahar pat kumju uba preston tensong kila pelait na ka jingsha krong ha jingking teu neway bridge lai tu ba ke menteri hadien bala yo sngo ya ke jing jong kinong khijor kalap pentikna banlum ya ka jingyalang jong kitnat sarkar na du ketnat karyang ke transport bat kumcu ya ke tenat pulet.
Kejing seni pelat.
Jika Meghalaya tidak fresh vegetable jinjau option untuk ya kasih ya fresh vegetable jinjau option supaya option maka silang tidak farma option maka green jinjau boy option maka yodu kasih penar option untuk langkah Meghalaya tidak fresh vegetable jinjau option kemudian option kemudian harap nak ni kecela si kemudian kecela east and care din ketu kecungi kepada worship mau tergilah ada bikren ada bentuk waktu deputy chief minister Masgau Sabalang Dahar Bakam Preston Tersong din kita laju bila berkap kepada dasar abdi bagi nutri jadi kecil pemik dari apa yang berkucut kawan nabaru nutri itu ada panusal kepaar abdi berkenika jing lum kecina Weybridge tentang semua kisah penting waktu Weybridge ada kalian dikti yang ada banyak transport undai su perung undai su panai kapal kecing teng kadang teng belum kecina jadi kit marah apa Weybridge dan kalian demi mentang nak kalian dikti yang ajumut ni kendu buat start chat karya dengan kendu taksi nak kalian mentak juga nak dikren pun ba kita kita kecil pun ba di nongki mentar kalian juga pulang ini ba sebelum transport department juga agricultural marketing DIG sebelum ini koneksi materi kita sambung yang ini tanah kalian juga apa kita buat increment bagi increment kalau masih sok gimana kita menjadi pun dari sibuk banget cincin pendik kita bagi cikren porsi kori kita bentar dari hadu bentar cikren kayak cikren dari kekam kami yang pendik itu kita buat kendung taksi bagi teman bagi siswa
kerja sisa pendik kita belum sebenarnya kan juga kerja sisa pendik
kecil belum tak
karena kerong aku bagi kerong
Tentang dan belum sih aja, dan kepala kita. Tentang kita baru bercakap penjat itu bersih apa yang lain.
Ki ai ni empat ke rusit pat ba.
Muna belum ni muna belum.
Itu cina tu macam kata ini. Itu link kata time link slide. Kini ke aplikasi Atasera. Kini dia dulu misal ada sekorunan, tapi soal korunan kata ya aja korunan, bila penting bila aja menteri gaji bila ikendu kamu sih kata itu.
Karena jika ketika jika belum dia cenai ketika tadi jujur, nak kapor sepor, dia nak berkata. Nomor 1 teng ribar hat mungkin dia show orang. Teng perhat atau tam sis pak video jujur. Bila isim siacan aja. Bila lu nak isu itu baik, baik, biar mesti bila isu itu banyak kali jujur. Nak kapor sepor lagi komplain buat kulit, hatu ihel suka menipek yang dikarep yang lagi komplain kan. Kamu sesuatu nama isu kapor nak keluar nak ikut nak yang ketika ayam beri kai jujur ke bumi nak ni jelas. Dia bukan nak apa bet ikin nak kalian bersuka bukan syukia yang ketika kamu nama kamu di dengan berubah khatam suluk senapur bila i kalau tu ngimculap iyo dah. Nak kapur mana kapur bet. Kau nak kapur lagi sapun lagi kita nak kapur. Mulai bagalan kata takit ada lagi kata takit, kau yang kata takit. Syekh Kashalan di overload, tek-tek di hailur, kemudian kali di kenta-kenta, lalu ni keren ni nak kalian minum elam tu, tim cuship ni pun, dia hai kata, dia nak kata kim cuyo ni keren kim cuship mereka pun maksud lafun nak kalian tahu sekian kim cuyo era mereka pun kamu kisah berngem kisah cuyo itu ibarat, dia nak kapur sepor kacu jawab kamu kan sadon buat kapur nak kalian di nak kalian coba sekian nilai isim ke jalan meeting, tinggal isim ke lain. Ada belum ada. Ia le bila kamu tinggi masir ingin pan jikrsyan nak kalian jadi semalang, bagi dia lang tentang lada ketahi menghi kemudian ketahi nomor merba berhak kita bagi pakai dus kita ngimlak yo sudah. Plus kabulok hanti senapur. Kamu tadi jika bukan poin atau macam step ke poin nak macam kamu jujur berdua ni.
UMLA का National People's Party NPP baru menteri ka सरकार Marcus N Marak ulapan pa ya ka jings ngos kem bagi pat ba jong ka Gambegre constituency ken ay ka jingkershan jong ki ya ka सरकार hakan ka election shiteng samoy ka bansalong
Umarak ulapan paru ba ka election kat persya ya UMLA berim usaleng esangma umbala ino ka constituency banya ukurtong ka NPP.
All the intending candidates have started campaigning in Gambegre. All the political parties are also there now. So we also have started our campaign, though we have not declared the candidate, but we have also started our campaign. And we have been telling our people there that we are coming out consensus for one candidate, which we will be declaring very soon. So let's see what will happen in there.
So it is said that the anti-incumbency factor worked against the NPP plus the BJP thing also. So how is the NPP countering that this time?
Anti-incumbency is not with NPP there. I think it's the sitting MLA who would be facing anti-incumbency this time. And sitting MLA was Mr. Saleng Sangma, who resigned very recently after getting elected as MP. So therefore, anti-incumbency is with the sitting MLA there. So it's it is up to him how to react.
I wanted to say anti-incumbency as in general, the ruling NPP-led government. Not just Basaling.
I mean, like, what is the NPP doing this time to make the turnaround in Garhwal? Since the NPP's performance was not that great, Lok Sabha.
See, I would say, the government of Meghalaya under the leadership of Mr. Conrad K. Sangma you have seen so many changes in Meghalaya so far under his leadership. So therefore, you should have asked me what are the projects that have implemented in the state and in entire Garo Hills also. So people have seen these changes in Garo Hills also, and in Gambegri, whenever we are going now, they are saying ki this time we will go with the government, because government has done so many things in other constituencies, but we have not seen in Gambegri area. So therefore, we are hoping this time in Gambegri we will be able to win the seat.
Halor ka jingkeno ba ki kalituras jong ki try jaka kila du nong shibun na ba ki myo shu bankit ya ki nong jingok kai perthai ki bawan chaka jala Meghalaya. Ka hinyotrap National Youth Federation ni HNYF jong ka East Khasi Hills District hakasngi tho diang kalalej ban bat bat pen pilot ya ki kalituras ki bawan na asa makathan tingar ki batmu banlet chaki jaka jingok kai jong kathan daw ki bat sora. Halor kania ki bor district bat ki pulit ki lahir mardor sya tingar ban pet ya ka jinglong jingman ban bante lakam ya ka suk kasan bat hadian ki pulit ki lara bat kemno ya ki dukod jong ka HNYF.
Ke HNYF kala shimnya kene ke sinjam halor ke jingkeno ba ka sarkar kam shim lale AA ban perking ya ke jingwan rong kertep ki bajlan nalor ke jingyo ya laitlan jong ki kali na Asam ban kit nong Shanghai perthai sha ki chaka jngokai ki badon ha sora bat hadau ki. Ke HNYF kala le ya kene halor ki jingkeno ba ki kali turis jong ki trai chaka kila du nong bha namar kimyo lat shu ban kit ya ki nong Shanghai perthai ki bawan kai sha jila. Kane kaseng kala penbena bakanum ailat shu yaki kali badon u number AS bakin kit yaki nong Shanghai perthai shaki jaka jngok kai kajila. Baru ki kali turis ki badon ya u number AS kila sha pen pilot kabala penbor ya ki bor district bat ki pulit bakin hiar mador sha tingar ban pitu ya ka jinglong jingman bat ban te lakam ya ka sukasain pat hadien ki pulit kila ra no bat kemno ya ka HNYF.
এইটো চাওক ডাউকিৰ চেৰাপুঞ্জী যোৱা ৰাস্তা বন্ধ অসমৰ গাড়ীৰ কাৰণে সব অসমৰ গাড়ী লাইন লাগি ৰাখি দিছে মেঘালয় গাড়ী সব এৰি দিলে অসমৰ গাড়ী সব বন্ধ আমাৰ অসমৰ গাড়ীগিলা সব বন্ধ কৰি দিছে सड़क से नहीं बंद हालो नो उठाइछु
Mlar ba? Jadi nak sengi. Mlar.
Nama ba? Oh ngerti bang lah.
Dia apa mlar di beli bat ba? Ini mlar ba? Ini mlar.
Ya ba tu di hoi.
Mlar ba? Mlar. Ini ke? Ke bi ko ban pini.
Ko pini ko man. Haban le.
Mlar ba? Mlar. Kenapa mlar itu kan? Mlar.
Ye gitu wa de government de ba de berperisam berperisam.
Nang bi ko mlar. Lepas iklan government. Iklan government. Dengan phone ni mana? Ngangan pelaj.
Ngangan pelaj.
Ngangan pelaj. Nomor mlar ba phone ni. Mlar ba ni. Hakan mun ba yo thar TV. Mun ba yo thar TV.
Government kamle kan masa.
Mun bu kamle. Iklan. Bila iklan, jumpa iklan.
Siap juga government ke sabi har.
Menno kilai.
Isu lalet keren.
Pilih.
Isu kamlong masa.
Pilih lalet pi.
Yang ipesang ini.
Pilih lalet iklan. Jumpa lagi yang. Jumpa lagi iklan pun pencuan pensangnya dia ni. Mbak mlar aku ni. Kini kalau ngulin lalet, pai dekat ini di Kambahar. Sudah jam lagi. Lebih sekali. Embak ada pisau lagi kali ini aja. Dia keren.
Polis IC saja na.
Hang dodan, nado pun ada sini di sini exit point.
Long naspo umling kan.
Dili, let's umling di piwan le yuang ni.
Tinggal apa yang dia ada umling di subuh ini di popo di kuali yang tahu di asam lam.
Kamu lalong kata. Lada nak kena para besar hang sejuni banyak sih pilih aku no.
Yang ini apa yang keren kan?
Dili yang keren saya katakan ni, sudu saya katakan saya ikan ni. Ha, lada kata aku empat baik untuk jangan habis sudu habis ni. Sudu bukan sudu.
Masih keren media kamu lang apa ni kamu.
Tinggal keren media ngai keren berpi. Ngai keren berpi. Kamu lang ni mentah pun lang ni bang. Kamu terlalu kali korok. Nomor berpi jenis ni orang kuat. Jenis ni benar orang kuat deh. Mo, kalau nanti kini kamu lang dapat. Lihat keren dalayo ada kebelang hata kedur ni saya lihat ni. Kamu lang rekomendasi. Mo.
Nomor mentah pi itu mentah government kesuruh. Song seksmen di. Pilih kasih ya.
Ngadi kasih ngarung asal dua kita ngarung apa hati jungi rupa her sih. Katakan. Ha,
nang ni kita banyo, kita banyo pendidikan ekonomi ini.
Ni keren ni kata. Ini kata ni surat kamu dan jemut, pinbat ni kamu dan jemut. Kamu penuh kamu. Yung government liya keren hang ni government ni liya keren sih. Pan appointment liya keren. Pinbat no hang ni apa pinbat liya keren pinbat hang ni pin liyu.
Government kalau tak ada.
Epi ngam yu ire kata ngam yu. Ngam yu apa bisa lebih keren persiapan ni hang ni. Kamu long deh. Backup sih.
Kontrak awak ke
Lihat abasnya.
Hadirin kita ki kubur nyawan rapat Syakhi ya gawe ke film Lincoln kebala ai kerteng kadur.
Labiang, mesti aku tu labiang. Ibu ada yui mengah. Untuk bersatu orang sendiri bersiap mengakpol. Ibu terlalu sedih juga ini. Joseph bos tem tata soalnya saya bisa. Masih aku juga. Kuali vlogs. Saya kepisah. Hey. apa sih?
Ngang mali. Ini kuat situ.
Bela. Ini kuat apa drugs? Ini stol. Ini kayak begini nanti.
Apa mau sepun biang kispang? Keren dengar?
Ni kunjung pi.
Oh, balai mon?
Dapat sekong ikon badang red rose pelak kumni long hi. Lamit tengah keren phone hadu pi me isu ikon bel alai sajuti ro.
Oh balai, kat bangaman kan? Ngak keren phone ro. Sutuai manga. Balai wet sepe.
Nak syuong kan bai ikon ni dangren. Raja biak lenti sengke badan kali lak kumno.
Oh tadi kum tapat te. Sutuai kan balai kumno. Kan ni kadang cakap kai kelong kena ke mare ya urun seliu. Sakawai ru, ini ikon ada jonga. Dai or ni long kumno ru, masuk tu manga. Hion batai start ni mati.
Ibu mentah tu mah. Dah lak ka phone ni ki kuan ru. Tep ke banja ayu tu kan dia pertanyaan mentah teh. Ba, kelipin khat me pisa di kena school ke yasho angtai. Dong pi personal na compare dong mangai kunyas ngam. Kesa. Beli kan ya? Beli. Cayu.
Ini kan cuy para jangan. Untuk para memen numpang tilai pujan.
Labiang. Ka akor iyo ka bakom kan ya. Beli hikaya school kum ya? Ha? Nalor kata rok kam tep akor kam tep buram syo hasurok kabaya ki berian nalor kata rok ha ka uniform. Ladau tahu para jung ni ya. Uliak senia nukran senia kum nuru. Padi metu ini hikayam. Ya tu hau ni kan manjung badan hang ni. Maphiru kum man. Ladau tahu para jung pi uliak senia nukran senia. Hiki para kena school. Ya tu hai me ipa Nambar mitenat ru Baik kena school ki le rugdum le rukun syakum ni. Ya sunam. Apa pidai kena school? Le kum kena school kan? Ya sungo. Tah ya kedap ya sok nak kan? Ke ya le nak siang. Tak bah, hey. Dari kan mau punya long kena tu sini, so ni Here. Alat sisa di berum tadi. Kita mudah sih mesti belum watang kaya ru. Super katang yang lebih banyak. Apa alat sisa ingin sih di berum tadi. Baik ke serangkai. Mitip dan ayo dah baik jangan. Kita kikot kislah. Kisah ke pengadang hiyo mentah kasih. Adin si mau nama. Masuk po siya imagine jarang kiway. Upre ko merdan baba yap nama.
Max, was ko yung email ako Muslim mo siya ime. Nawan sim gitu ki earphone jung me. Kom, boleh? Jaya.
Udah ubreo. Ubdan kata ka mensimit belam kanyaru. Ubdan ka mensim para breo. Mentan hi waktu awal bentuk ka bek jangan. Dreunya. Usyang usupan. Umlawat tang beniarap kanyaru.
Niarap.
Ndai tang kataru. Wadi kelung berharap umlak beniarap. Yang kali sano.
Kom. Saja. Sam. Menyetu ipi. Ini di persajungan. Berulang konsuet. Berusaha bernga mentah. Ndri ke pasang sot menyetu ipi. Bukni umlaj ben keren. Umlak hiru ban yok sngop. Bat umlak hiru ban ya. Ban wat jela deru. Ulak klen bude uai. Kumul mudur. Pitarai budang la ban yarap ipi. Ni lei mentau su im tang harngai. U im tang jingdro jemu. Bat nga ngamla masutu. Ayu. Kuat masutu yang nga. Lakini jingdro jemu. Nam kai pang.
Lagi kajai unta.
Yarap palap para beliau. Ya no bom yarap ni. Don Bob budang lai im. Dini beri besok ima. Max, kamu milakan mau biang. Kamu milajam. Milakan mau lu cici barang.
Udah ini beri tu betul ya baik juga mana.
Kam sim ya kini gedur. Li aja ke pulit. Natip sekarang makin yuk kami udah kebasuk. Kenapa kau start sisa?